You can use the stair tool to raise the height of props and stack them on top of each other. You can stack anything that's an object. You can stack flowers, pumpkins, or my personal favorite, the wood. First, take the stair tool, lay out a track, and shrink it down to its small size until it's just a nub. Then place your object on top of the top rung. Now click and drag the stair and drop it into your position. Just be careful when you're placing your props that when you let go of the stair, it becomes almost impossible to move. So get the positioning right before you let go. Anyway, this is a neat little trick to make your spaces feel a little bit more alive.